anything. She knows better than not. There you go. Good girl. You got the lead. Awesome. Perfect. Flex your head to the inside a little bit. Your right rein a little shorter than your left rein. Good. Keep your hands down. Keep them down. There you go. Your right rein a little shorter. She's flexed to the outside. There you go. Good.